Okay folks, this is your new E10 or I10, sorry. I10. Okay, basically this one is from a past paper. It's from last year's past paper from 2012, or mind you, maybe that won't be last year when you're watching this, but anyway, it's from 2012, and in this one, what you've got to do first of all is complete the elevation, which is here, and we've got this arrangement here. It's a wall mounted light fitting, tells you up here, you can see that in the, let's move that up a wee bit, a wall mounted light fitting, and it's got this canopy here, and then it's got this, I presume, sort of metal shaped part here. Okay, we've got a partial elevation, we've got a completed plan, and we've got an auxiliary plan of the canopy, which is basically looking at the plan from a different angle. Okay, and normally the idea of an auxiliary plan is to give you a bit more detail about a feature. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use information from the auxiliary plan to try and complete the elevation. And you probably guessed it, we're going to do some generators. Now this here relates directly to the elevation, and you can see that they're in line with one another. You can see that there, that they are in line with one another. Okay, the curved part meets this side here, and information about how it meets it can really be given from the actual plan here, because there's a slope. And this is what's called an interpenetration question, because you've got a curved surface meeting a kind of flat surface, and that's what we're trying to do. So first thing we're going to do is do some generators on here. Now, you probably realise that you go, oh, right, that's me a bit stuck. It's because it's at an angle. So what you have to do is bring in your 45 set square. That allows you to introduce another generator. Okay, and then you can use your 45 to help you to do another angle again, just by sitting the set square on it. I'm just going to move this pretty far down so that I can get another generator in. Okay, so this is me with my 45 and my 3060 producing another point, and if I hold the 45 and the 3060 like this, then I can get myself another point. Okay, and just like some of the other questions, we might want or need to actually take some more points. Right, now what we're going to do, oh gosh, everything's going pear shaped here. Now what we're going to do is project these lines down. Down here into the elevation. From the edges. Okay. Just extend these a wee bit more. Okay. Right, also what we need to do is now get information from here onto the elevation. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to project down from these points here onto the auxiliary plan. Okay, we need to do that at a right angle. And then we're going to take that information and basically apply it to here and then project lines down, but I'll talk you through it. Okay, so using that set square there, just to allow me to get a right angle, I'm going to project down here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these sizes here from A and we're going to project them onto this plan here, and then where they meet here, the slope, we're going to project them down. So I'm going to label these up and call that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, those 4 points there. So get a compass. Now, this, just to explain a wee bit here, this here is the canopy viewed from above, okay, and obviously it's curving, okay, and we've got a point A there, right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from A to 1, and then I'm going to plot that one here, measure from A to 2, and plot that one here, measures from A to 3, plot that one here, and measures from A to 4, plot that one here. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I now just project these across till they hit the slope. Gremlins today, all going horribly wrong. Right, okay, hopefully you can still see that. Going a wee bit off the straight, just straighten things up, okay, and then from 4 across to there. Okay, now the fun happens. We project down from 1 till we meet 1 there, put a wee dot there, from 2 till we meet 2, from 3 till we meet 3, and then from 4 I have to extend 4 a bit more here. Four till we meet 4 there. Okay, and then finally what I'm going to do is extend this corner down and extend this line down to there, and extend, just check actually this point and this point tie up. Yeah, okay, so essentially we've got the canopy, and you can see it there, it slopes down and meets the edge there, so what we've got is smooth curveting through the points. Okay, and then just draw that in dark there. Okay, so that's our completed elevation. And I think if you picture it, you know, the canopy as it meets the sloping surface, that makes sense to you. Okay.